serious thing. All right, guys. So for our something to smile about, this morning we're going to figure out and find pieces of puzzles and put them together. We're going to put this together in 8 minutes.
8 minutes too long.
That's a long time.
We do this in about 30 seconds. Hold on.
No.
By the way, show me what it look like first.
Wait. I can't see.
You can't see. Are plenty things that you know, Summer.
Oh dear.
Plenty things that.
I don't know if 8 minutes is.
No, man. All right, we're going to do it.
All right.
Ready?
Let's try.
Hold on, don't start the 8 minutes. Wait, no, 8 minutes.
I don't like puzzles, you know.
You don't?
Under pressure, I can't. Cannot work with puzzles.
No, find the edge them first, Summer.
I don't know where the edges are.
See edge there?
Put up on the screen.
Yeah. Put up back something and we'll find some edge business. Right away.
Okay.
Summer. I am the number one man in life.
I don't.
What you looking at?
I'm looking for what is that? A fish in the bottom right hand corner?
Hold on, see another edge there. And see, is that edge this?
Yes.
Nope. So you go right here. You see me not rate me, you know?
Oh gosh.
You don't rate me. And this look like
see another edge here too.
No, that's not right.
It is an edge.
No? That don't
well,
look.
it's okay. Let's take them out anyway. This one is one of those that go into the corner. The fish
show me again, man. Show them now, show me, you know.
Oh. Okay, this belongs here. Somewhere here.
Eh? Oh, it's on the box to Summer Road.
Oh.
We'll leave all that piece inside.
So turn around the box now.
That's all?
Yeah.
You know, say you're right, do we need more than 8 minutes to show?
Telling you.
Hold on, man, we can't deal with it, man.
Alright.
No.
If I told you that I love you. But the drone is blowing away in my ear.
So fish.
See the fish here?
Right, but that is down the bottom part, so the fish.
Bottom right hand corner, bottom left.
What is this fella here?
Bottom left.
Yeah.
Fish is swimming away.
No, this fella is at the top. See that fella right there is up the top there.
Is this it? What?
Yeah.
Where?
No.
Which way? What's the orientation right now? So the fish is down here for you then?
Yeah, that
right here.
And you need this bird fella
you
here.
never tell me that from long
we
time,
need a bird.
Bridgie.
This look birdie, it's yellow. Yellow is birdie. See yellow there?
Give me an edge with pure blue. See part of a bird here.
Yeah, no, wait till we turn that away.
Wait a man. Beak. Oh,
And the snake is over this side. If I can find this snake.
Where's the bird piece that you just give me a while ago?
See there, see birds there? Yellow.
Nope.
No, and this fella on top of the bird. This fella there.
The doggy. See me here?
Swim it. Yeah.
See
no,
me.
I'm on top of the bird.
So which means it's the wrong piece over here then?
Yeah. No man, show that. Yeah.
Yeah.
The wing we want. Same we don't even got 2 pieces still.
Listen, Nev, I just told you that I'm bad at puzzles. Also, this ground is not the best ground to build puzzle on either.
You know that? No.
No.
Bird, yellow. It's the only yellow in the place, so the whole of them up here is only yellow.
Yeah, but this is all the way down the bottom, man.
No.
Look, give me the rest of the dog and the rest of the birds. That's what we're looking to try and fulfill here now.
No,
See,
put
beak
all
here.
of the yellow them up here. The only yellow is right here. That's the only yellow. So everything we have yellow must be up here. I have it proper. Yeah.
If I told you that I love
No.
you.
No.
Nope. any more yellow over there?
No, all the yellow you have. Hold on, I'm sitting, man. We must can do
we need the edge up here. Where is the edge? I need a full blue edge.
Full blue edge.
No.
Full blue edge.
Yeah, this.
Only 2 minutes to have it.
No, full blue edge.
Right, that.
This is not it.
Right, not this either.
This is not it. It's a full blue.
No, see, we can't so worthless.
Edge.
We cannot be so worthless.
Pressure
this
bus pipe.
yellow
All right, we're not
absorb
going. We're getting somewhere.
All right, see there. And the bird is underneath that, so we need bird. Yellow somewhere underneath.
That's not it. That's not it. Hello. Give me the piece with the rest of the doggy. You're looking for some blue wing.
Yeah, but you know, so
Also
this
this
how
brown.
I not stop to me. Ah, it's my fat. No.
You go on down this
Alright,
and let me
piece
see
that
what I
I
can do
find.
up here, sir.
Ah. All right.
I told you
No,
that
wrong piece, that
love you. I can't even tell if this is the right fit.
Ah, all right. I find a piece. Yes, I find a piece.
This is not the.
No, man,
Okay.
I find a piece down here.
Give me the other piece of the birdie.
See yellow and yellow. Bird.
All right.
How much time leave? How much?
Birdie.
1 minute. No, we want the extension.
Wait, no. Also, the ground is very unlevel, so pieces that you thought before were not fitting are fitting. Are my clothes out of there? Give me the rest of the bird.
No, don't. All right,
no.
no. Where?
Wait.
You know me not stop till me do this. You know that, don't?
Another edge over here now.
I want a carrot. Carrot, see. Carrot.
A what?
Carrot. See it here?
Wait, what is that?
You know, so I'm doing all right over here.
No, this is a lizard. Ew.
What?
Why do you have to give me a lizard
What
part?
do you mean, lizard?
There's a lizard on there. Iguana now.
Same, I need a thing for that.
I need a piece of iguana now.
We're doing well,
I
you
don't
know.
want to touch that though, no?
Look here.
No, take
Look
up
here
that
now.
piece.
This
Take
piece
up
here.
him, yeah, and put him
it
under
here.
there, so.
Here?
Yeah. Thanks.
Wait, no man. We almost have this thing now, you know. All right, go for
We
the
need
break.
another
By the
piece
time
of
you
the
come back,
iguana.
folks, when you come back, this will look like we have everything under control. We soon come. Don't worry.